Of all the laptops that I've reviewed over the last few years, for me, the most innovative has got to be the ASUS ZenBook Duo. I mean, who would have thought that you'd need two screens on a laptop? But when offered, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities, new ways of doing things. It was back in Taipei already 2 years ago when we first introduced you to the ZenBook Duo family. And now, it's got a sequel. The new ZenBook Duo is not only more powerful, but also improves on that revolutionary new form factor. And today, we're going to talk about it. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to match your needs. Sit tight, this is our 2021 ASUS ZenBook Duo unboxing and hands-on. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. It's very easy. Just hit that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, that bell icon will make sure that you get notified as soon as we upload. I'd love it if you would help us reach our next milestone before the end of the year. The ZenBook Duo comes in this big black box in search of incredible. All right, let's slice the seal open, lift this up, and here we have it, another box, smaller this time. But before we open this up, one more thing, the ZenBook Duo comes bundled with a free leather sleeve. Nice. Okay, now we can move on and peel this off. Lift up the lid. There it is, ZenBook Duo, laptop of tomorrow. Let's set it aside first so we can see what other accessories we're getting. If we lift this up, we have a stand that you can stick on, user guides, and an ASUS pen. Over on this side is the 65-watt charger. Now back to that leather sleeve. The ZenBook Duo fits perfectly inside, and it has a little slot over here so you can take your ASUS pen wherever you take your ZenBook Duo. So this is the ZenBook Duo. As far as laptops come, it's pretty slim and light, even with that awesome second screen. This is thanks to the magnesium alloy that's used for both its chassis and lid. It's not as sexy as the ZenBook by comparison, but it echoes the same design language. Sharp lines, a brushed metallic finish, with the ASUS signature concentric circle pattern, and two-tone accents on its chamfers. My review unit has a dark bluish shade with touches of silver to give it some punch. The new ZenBook Duo is slimmer and lighter than previous models, weighing in at 1.6 kilos and measuring 16.9 millimeters at its thinnest point. When you open it up, you'll find it's got the same ergo lift hinge that raises the bottom of the laptop off your desk, giving the keyboard a bit of an angle that makes it more comfortable to type on. At the same time, it also provides more room for heat dissipation. During our briefing with ASUS, they were very proud about their new hinge design. It looks like this. The hinge is 30% smaller, allowing the laptop to be slimmer. Now, not only does it lift the laptop up, but the ScreenPad too. Yep, that's new on the 2021 model. Previously, the second screen was fixed to the bottom of the laptop. Now it slopes up at an angle so you don't have to crane your neck. And it allows for a more seamless transition between both displays. I can't wait to talk about all the new features of the ScreenPad Plus, as well as go through some use case scenarios. You know, those practical applications that will show you why you could benefit from having two screens. But first, I also want to talk about its main display. Notice how close the display is to the edges of the laptop. It's 7 millimeters on top and only 4 millimeters on the sides for a 93% screen-to-body ratio. My review unit has an LCD panel, a touchscreen with a full HD resolution, and I also hear they're working on a Pro model with a 4K OLED display. All right, now to talk about the most exciting part about the laptop, the ScreenPad Plus. It's like having a main screen and a small computer monitor. I love how it allows me to really multitask. So for example, I'm writing a script on Google Docs and have a YouTube video running underneath. Or I could be binge watching my new favorite series Bridgerton on Netflix while keeping track of what's going on Twitter, as well as with work via the Slack app. Now, if there's a combination of apps that you frequently use, you can create a shortcut, group all of those apps together so that at the press of a button, all of those apps will launch together. So for example, I want GadgetMatch.com on a browser, Spotify on the left, and Slack on the right. I just click over here to save, and next time, all I have to do is press this button, and all of these apps open in their respective windows. A lot of controls are improved too. Apart from being able to move it from side to side or the bottom of the ScreenPad, you can also have it minimized into a floating button. You can switch from light to dark mode, tap with 3 fingers to use the entire ScreenPad as a huge trackpad. It's also now easier to move windows from screen to screen. Just tap and flick. You can also use the bundled stylus to take notes or sketch. Think of it as a built-in Wacom tablet. Finally, and probably the best feature for content creators, is the control panel, which out of the box works with Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere. When using those apps, you can assign some of your most frequently used tools as sliders and knobs, so you don't have to fiddle through your tools menu just to get to them. Cool, no? The new ZenBook Duo is powered by Intel's 11th gen processors, either an i5 or i7 chip based on the SKU you choose. Speaking of which, you can either get an Intel integrated graphics chip or, for more processing chops, an NVIDIA GeForce MX450 discrete graphics card. Completely maxed out, you can get up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of storage. It's also got a 70 watt-hour battery that ASUS promises will last you up to 17 hours on a single charge. Its bundled fast charger will get you from 0 to 60% in under 50 minutes. Now let's talk about ports. There's a generous selection of them. On one side, a micro SD card slot, 3.5mm audio jack and mic input, and a USB-A port with the 3.2 standard. And on the other, a full-sized HDMI port and 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. ASUS says the ZenBook Duo will be available later this month, with pre-orders starting on January 14th here in the US. I also hear that the ZenBook Pro Duo is also in the works and will be available at a later date. In terms of pricing, it will really depend on your SKU, but they say expect it to be just a little bit more expensive than last year's model. And that was our 2021 ZenBook Duo unboxing and hands-on. I need more time to use this laptop to be able to give you a full review. That is coming very soon. So if you have any questions, leave them for me below. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure you're subscribed and the bell notification is clicked so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.